Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an easy tutorial for you, the text behind person effect in Capcut. The first step is to import your video into Capcut. I want to add some text behind her. Just click here, then here, and enter the text you want. Once you've added your text, position it wherever you like on the screen. Now, drag the text layer over the entire video. Select the text layer and find the animation option. Choose In, then pick the Fade In animation. Next, select Out and choose the Fade Out animation. Make it a bit longer than the Fade In animation. Now, we're almost there. Export the video to your photo gallery. Click here, then go back and create a new project. Select the video with the text that you just exported, tap on Overlay, add Overlay, and choose the original, unedited video. Zoom in a bit to match the two videos. Now select the second video, find the cutout option, tap on Remove Background, and let Capcut do its magic. Once it's done, adjust the second video over the first. And there you have it. Your text is now behind the person in the video.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.